All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're looking at some software that's got the affiliate marketing world buzzing.
Interesting.
It's called Tolt,
Oh, okay.
and they're making some pretty bold claims. Now, just a quick reminder for anyone who might not be familiar, affiliate marketing is basically earning commissions by promoting other companies' products.
Right.
It's a huge industry, and there's a ton of software out there to help businesses manage their affiliate programs.
Yeah, definitely a lot of options.
But Tolt claims to be doing things differently. I've got to say, just from browsing their website, it looks really impressive. Clean, modern interface. And the pricing is crazy affordable, especially compared to some of the dinosaurs out there. What's your first impression just from what you've seen so far?
Well, it definitely looks promising. I'll give them that. A slick design and competitive pricing can really catch your eye. But for me, the real question is, do the features actually deliver? Yeah. Can they solve the pain points that businesses actually face?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Features over flashiness any day. And speaking of that user-friendly design, I mean, have you seen some of those older platforms?
Oh, yeah.
It's like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded.
It really can be.
Why is good design so important in the affiliate marketing world?
Well, I think it all comes down to efficiency and a good user experience. For affiliates, it means they can get onboarded quickly. They don't have to spend hours figuring out how the platform works.
Right.
They can actually focus on marketing the products. And for the businesses managing the program, it just makes everything smoother. Less frustration, less time wasted on support. So yeah, a good interface really can be a game changer.
And this seems like a really good example of that. Speaking of things that caught my eye, that $49 first month starting price.
I know, right?
Almost seems too good to be true. Is there a catch we're missing?
Well, it's smart to be cautious, but I think Tolt is playing a different game here. They're not just about being the cheapest. They're offering real value. Like, look at their multi-processor support. Stripe Paddle, ChargeBee, you name it. Businesses can use whichever payment system they're already comfortable with.
Right.
That kind of flexibility is huge. It means Tolt isn't trying to lock you into their ecosystem. They're adapting to how businesses actually operate.
That's a really good point. I didn't think of it that way. And they make a big deal about how easy it is to set up. Like 2 steps to connect your payment processor.
Super simple.
For busy entrepreneurs and small business owners, that's got to be music to their ears.
Absolutely. Time is money after all.
No kidding.
And that ease of use is especially crucial for people who are new to affiliate marketing.
Yeah, I can see that.
There's already so much to learn. So having a platform that's intuitive and easy to use, it just removes a huge barrier to entry.
It definitely seems like they're targeting a much wider market with that approach.
Yeah, I'd say so.
One thing that I thought was interesting was the ability to customize the affiliate dashboard. You can add your logo, your branding.
Right.
At first I thought, okay, that's a cute little extra. But is there real value in that?
Actually, yeah, there is. It might seem like a small thing. But branding is everything. Think about it from an affiliate's perspective.
Okay.
They log in and they see a platform that looks professional and polished. It builds trust. It makes them feel like they're part of something bigger.
That's a good point.
It reinforces that sense of partnership. And that can have a real impact on their marketing efforts.
I hadn't really considered the psychological aspect of it.
Yeah.
They also have some more advanced features like being able to adjust cookie duration.
Yes.
And control the types of payouts affiliates receive.
Right.
Can you break down why these things matter for the average user?
Sure. So cookie duration,
Yeah.
that determines how long an affiliate gets credit for a sale. So let's say you refer a customer and they don't buy right away,
Okay.
but they come back a week later and make a purchase. With a longer cookie duration, you still get credit for that sale.
That makes sense.
It's all about fairness and making sure affiliates are rewarded for their efforts.
Right.
And then controlling payout types. That's about preventing fraud and making sure affiliates are incentivized to take the right actions. So you're not just rewarding them for getting people to sign up for a free trial, you're rewarding them for actual sales or whatever your key metric is.
So it's really about giving businesses more control over their program.
Exactly. Fine-tuning it to fit their specific needs.
I noticed they even offer migration assistance for people switching from a platform like Rewardful.
Yeah, very smart.
Seems like they're really trying to make it as easy as possible to switch over. All right, so final verdict time. Is Tolt living up to the hype?
It's still early days, but based on what I've seen so far, I think they have the potential to be a real player in this space. The combination of a user-friendly interface, affordable pricing, and a solid set of features. It's a compelling package. I think it appeals to both beginners and more established businesses.
I think you're right. It'll be interesting to see how they adapt and evolve over time.
Yeah, definitely the market is constantly changing.
No kidding.
Yeah.
So it seems like Tolt is really trying to make affiliate marketing more accessible, more user-friendly,
Yeah.
and more affordable.
I think that's a fair assessment.
But here's a thought. If this becomes the new standard, what happens to the old guard?
Ooh.
The established platforms that have been around for years. Will they be forced to adapt, or will they get left behind?
That is a great question. It's going to be fascinating to watch how the industry responds.
I think so too. And of course, we always want to hear from you, our listeners. What are your thoughts on Tolt? Have you tried it out? Are you intrigued? Are you skeptical? Let us know. Maybe we'll do a follow-up deep dive based on your questions. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring.